What's good, my people? Back again with another video. Just before I get into this, as always, please like, comment, share, subscribe. So we've got some Nike SBs. Where's the label? Where's the label? So it's a Dunk Low Pro Nike SB, of course. And I'm going to get my trusty tool and see exactly how much height this pair of sneakers adds to you. So there's always a bit of technical information I have to get. So this is where all my years of expertise comes into place. So I'm thinking we're going to do it from about here where the stitching line is to the bottom, so fairly easy to see. So we're just going to stick the caliper there, open up, one moment, and we got around 24. Wait, it's a bit funny to do because of the angle. Say about 24.5 millimeters roughly. Yeah, 24.4 millimeters roughly. 24.4 to 24.5 because it's a bit of a funny angle. Now it's gone to 24.6. It's a bit difficult to do. Let's try the back. Yeah, about 24.7. It's changed like 5 times. So about 24.7 millimeters, which is just shy of an inch of height that these will add to you. I thought it would be less than that, to be honest. I thought it would be less than an inch, but they definitely do add, let's just call it an inch, round it up, an inch of height. But yeah, if you're 5'11" and you want to be 6 foot, grab yourself a pair of SB Dunks. So I've got the full review, unboxing, comparison, everything. If it's not uploaded already, it's coming real soon. It will probably be uploaded already. And yeah, make sure you click the bell icon, make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you share and subscribe. And most importantly, take care, my people.